As soon as you become aware of an accident, you need to do these things. Hello friends, and welcome back to Levi the Lawyer. I am Levi. And no, we are not in my office. I had to leave town due to the hurricane, so I am in an undisclosed location. But I'm still here for you employers. If you're an employer, you need to know these 3 tips for investigating claims. If you don't follow these tips, you're going to mess up your investigation. And a messed up investigation can lead to increased insurance premiums. As a workers' compensation defense attorney, I want to let you know that I am here to fight for you. Many workers' comp claims are real and many are not real, and I'm here to fight. With that being said, your role in the investigation is essential. Before we dive in, I want to let you know, this is for educational purposes. Every single workers' compensation claim is unique. If you have a workers' compensation claim, reach out to an attorney. This is not legal advice. My email is in the description. Tip number 1, promptly respond to the incident. First things first, when the employee reports an accident, they might need immediate medical attention. It is crucial that you get them that attention. Now, an investigation might establish that they had a bogus claim, but if they're telling you that their arm is broken, send them to the doctor. I don't want you watching some investigation video on workers' compensation while someone's bleeding out. Do what you need to do in emergency situations. When you send them to a medical facility, that doctor will create a medical report. Keep track of that. Tip number 2, document everything. As soon as you become aware of an accident, you need to get as much information as you can. Take pictures of everything related to the accident. Take written and signed statements from anyone who witnessed the accident. Do you have cameras? Check them. The truth about the accident will be on those cameras. Pull out that employee's file, put all of those witness statements in the employee's file. Get ready to send the employee file to your insurance carrier. This type of documentation is invaluable to the claim, especially if that claim is disputed. Tip number 3, notify your insurance carrier immediately. Do not wait. Keep in mind that our entire goal is to fight for you. As a workers' compensation insurance defense attorney, I want to make sure that anything that is supposed to happen happens, and anything that is not supposed to happen does not happen. If you're an employer and you're watching this video, I want you to email me any questions that you have about workers' comp. My email is in the description. I am here to represent you to the fullest extent. Aggressive litigation is my middle name. So remember, tip number 1, promptly respond to the incident. Tip number 2, document everything. And tip number 3, notify your insurance carrier. Keep in mind that cooperation with your insurance carrier is absolutely essential. You want good communication. The better communication, the better investigation. Now a couple bonus tips. You know that I love my bonus tips. Have security cameras. You can buy a good set of security cameras on Amazon for $200 or $300. Any modern set of security cameras is going to have an app that you can check whenever you want. When you buy your security cameras, make sure that they keep your recordings for a long time. Encourage reporting. A big issue in workers' compensation is notice. I'm not going to dive super deep into the statute, but employees have 30 days to report an accident to their employer. Probably my biggest and most important bonus tip is just to maintain a safe environment. The best way to handle a workers' compensation claim is to not even have one. Keep your floors clean, keep your floors dry, make sure your employees are abiding to safety procedures. And watch this video on preventing workers' compensation accidents. And there you have it, my top 3 tips for investigating workers' compensation claims. Remember that if you are an employer and you have a workers' compensation claim, it's extremely important to reach out to an attorney. Specifically, me. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel. My name is Levi Weinstein. I am a workers' compensation defense attorney. If you have any questions about workers' compensation or you want to see a video about a specific topic, comment or send me an email. Until next time, take care and stay informed.